Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today we are tackling a widespread misconception, especially in India. The vagina is the source of HIV. This is actually a completely false statement. Vagina is not the source of HIV. So what is this actually? What is HIV? Full form of HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. This is the full form of HIV. And if you are HIV positive, in that case, if this problem left untreated, in that case, this can lead to AIDS. If left untreated, in that case, it can lead to AIDS. And one more thing, human body parts don't produce HIV. Whether it is male body parts or female body parts. So the title you have already seen, and according to the title, vagina does not produce actually virus, means HIV. Okay, vagina does not produce HIV because human body parts don't produce HIV. If you are already HIV positive, then in that case there is a chance of transmission of your disease to another person. Okay, so what contains this HIV virus? Your blood and sexual fluids. If you are HIV positive, in that case, okay, your blood and sexual fluids contain this HIV. So what are those things? Those things are blood, semen, semen produced by male persons. Then rectal fluids, vaginal fluids, and breast milk. This is again for women. Rectal fluids common for male and female. Vaginal fluids only for women. Okay, breast milk also only for women. Anyway, so these are the fluids which can carry that HIV if you are already HIV positive, only in that case. So transmission of your virus may occur from your body to another person's body in case of blood contact or contact with a mucous membranes. Mucous membranes. Okay, so in which cases these are possible? In case of unprotected sex. This is possible. If you are already HIV positive and someone who is actually free from this HIV positive, in that case, if both the persons are in sexual contact without using any protection like condoms, in that case there is a chance of transmission of your HIV to that person, whether you are a male or female. If you are carrying that HIV positive virus, in that case there is a chance. Okay, so this thing you should know. And we are talking about what? Either blood, your blood or mucous membrane. If these things are in contact, or those sexual fluids, okay, your sexual fluids or your blood, if these things are in contact with the another person, with the another person's what? With the another person's blood or mucous membranes, then there is a chance of transmission of HIV. Another person's blood or mucous membranes. You just keep in your mind this thing. So you can easily understand what are the possibilities, in which cases these things may occur. Like a blood transfusion without screening the blood properly. Means blood transfusions with unscreened blood. In that case, there is a chance of transmission of HIV from the HIV positive person to another person. Blood transfusions with unscreened blood. Then if you are sharing needles or syringes which are already infected with HIV positive blood, if you are sharing that thing with another person, then that another person may get infected with HIV. Again, in case of sexual activity, and in case of sexual activity, this is not limited to vaginal sex. This is applicable for all types of sex like anal sex, vaginal sex, and oral sex. In all such cases. Again, from mother to baby, transmission of HIV can occur during pregnancy, during birth, even during breastfeeding. Okay, during pregnancy, during birth, again during breastfeeding, from mother to baby. Transmission of HIV can occur if mother is already infected with HIV positive in that case. So now you know all the cases, in which cases transmission may occur. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is human body parts don't produce or generate HIV. Human body parts. Whether it's penis, whether it's vagina, breast or any other part of the human body. Whether male or female. If you are already carrying that HIV virus, in that case there is a chance of transmission of your virus to another person's body. Okay, so in all these cases, what you need to do? You need to use protection like condoms. Okay, you need to use protection. You need to use other things if available. If you know that that person is already infected with HIV positive and you are making sexual contact with that person, in that case, you need to be overseen by using all these things. Better to consult a doctor. Okay, better to consult a doctor if you are doing such things. And many other things are also there. And don't share it. Anyway, you don't know whether the syringe you are going to use or the needle you are going to use is already infected with HIV positive blood. This is not known to you. So avoid sharing these needles or syringes. In all cases of blood transfusions, you must check whether it is already screened or not. So you have to take your own precautions. And for all these things, what is the requirement? The requirement is educate yourself and educate others. This is nothing but a dangerous myth. Vagina is the source of HIV. This is a dangerous myth. You should debunk such myths. And this is only possible if you educate yourself, educate others. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. If you found this video informative, so please like, share and subscribe for such science-based videos. Anyway, this is the end. Thanks for watching.